Validated materials have received basic reliability testing to accelerate the process of bringing new materials into the market. They've been tested and tuned for reliable operation on select Stratasys FDM printers. Hi, I'm Thomas Whiting, the Stratasys Applications Engineer. Victrex AM200 is a PEAK-based filament produced using Victrex's LMPAACK polymer technology. This formulation has been developed and optimized for FDM printing applications through reduced processing temperatures, which allows greater control over crystallinity rates. This results in stronger, more isotropic parts than other PEAK alternatives. PEAK's inherent thermal stability, chemical resistance, and strength make it an excellent choice for use in high-demand applications. The XZ yield strength for AM200 is 9200 psi. This is close to Ultem 9085 resin's yield strength of 10,000 psi in the XZ orientation. AM200 also has very high impact resistance with 71.8 foot-pounds per inch for the unnotched XZ samples and 29.2 foot-pounds per inch for the notched XZ samples. The target markets for AM200 are space and aerospace. Good applications for this material include parts such as brackets, manifolds, or other complex designs that would be difficult to manufacture conventionally, like this aero HVAC duct. Another example is this manifold that would otherwise be machined out of stock PEAK material. Using additive manufacturing reduces the machining waste and the flow patterns can be optimized. These are a couple examples of how AM200 is a good fit for applications that require temperature, corrosion, and chemical resistance. AM200 is used with SR100 soluble support material, allowing greater design freedom than a breakaway support material. You can 3D print complex designs while also reducing the number of parts compared to other manufacturing methods. For more information about AM200, contact your Stratasys reseller or visit stratasys.com. Thanks for watching.